So in this video, I'm going to discuss a very important topic about aircraft structure. How should you prepare for aircraft structure if you're preparing for GATE exam? Now see, uh, aircraft structure subject is considered as the most toughest subject. In aircraft structure, you can classify this in four ways. One is your basic 11th and 12th physics, and of course 12th is not considered in this, and then your strength of material, then core of aircraft structure, and finally vibration. So see here, uh, students are comfortable when it is about strength of material, but again in strength of material students are not comfortable in every chapter, because sometimes in elasticity itself they will be wasting around 20 days and they will not be getting anything. So for that, you see, just get my video courses or join my live classes, so that you can understand strength of material, aircraft structure and vibration in detail and fully properly organized study material I have. So now, how should you study aircraft structure if you are not studying in my coaching center or if you are doing self study? In both the cases, this video is going to be very helpful, and if you are already in my coaching center, then you don't have to worry. Already I am explaining everything in detail and properly. Mostly this video is helpful for those students who are doing self study. And see here, whenever you are preparing for GATE aircraft structure, one thing is keep in mind, you should keep in mind one thing, that aircraft structure is not a subject like flight mechanics or aerodynamics or propulsion. Okay, aircraft, in aircraft structure, if you analyze what kind of questions they have asked in every year, then you will find out that there is no pattern where you can set all the questions. There is no pattern in aircraft structure. There is no pattern. But only thing is, student can crack the question if student is totally comfortable with the concept. It means what? Aircraft structure is having less formula as compared to other subjects, but it has a very good conceptual determination. You have to build up entire concept of every single topic. For example, if there is bending, and if bending is happening, so see how I teach. I say, right, just to visualize, like this top view, this is the front view, this is the right view, I mean the right plate, face and all I used to say. And after that, when there is a bending, then which fiber is coming out, and what kind of sigma, and where the sigma, what kind of tau, where the tau is being developed, all these things. So visualization is very important. You should be able to visualize. So first thing, if you are preparing for aircraft structure, make sure your teacher is able to build the visualization power in you. You should be able to visualize all the numericals, where, how and all these things, right? Okay, next thing, one thing I want to say very clearly, I am the person who supports you at the personal level if you are joining the coaching center. Recently, because now it is August month, so most of the queries are coming from different coaching centers. Also, students are already enrolled in different coaching centers, but still they are saying, sir, I found your video very late, I found your channel very late, but already I have taken admission in different coaching center, but their things are not going good. Sometimes they say, sir, teaching part is good. I'm sorry, teaching part is good, but there is no personal level support, like these kind of things. Sometimes they say, sir, teachers are solving the doubt in classroom, but after classroom they are not available on phone call or on like that they are saying. Anyway, these things are there, because I will tell you, 99% teachers are not dedicated for teaching. They are actually teaching part time. Actually, whole day they are busy in their job or something, and in night time, and that's why that is the main cause that people are running the coaching in group, so that they can take teaching part time. And I hate this thing totally. Anyway, that is everyone's personal opinion and everyone's personal life. I am no one to comment on this, but because it is related to students, that's why everyone should understand this part. Whoever is actually preparing for GATE exam, and if you are enrolled in coaching center, then the teacher should be able to explain all your doubts whenever you want. Whenever you want means at least the same day doubt should get clear properly. Okay, anyway, so the first point is, you have to bother about your as I said here, visualization. You have to be very good in visualization. If you are not able to experience the topic, then your teacher should make it visualize. Okay, you understood that, okay, how bending is working, how torsion is working, all those things. Now next part, whenever you are understanding something that, okay, I have understood this, just after that you make the topic in your way. Okay, like teacher is explaining, you're able to experience, then try to understand, say the topic like, okay, I have understood the topic like this, and try to draw everything whatever you have learned again on a rough page. Like, okay, this is the beam and it turns like this, and this is the equation, the fiber, and like that you have to say like this. So I mean, you are learning the topic, you are visualizing the topic, and then you are recreating the topic in your own way. Recreating means you are representing the topic again for your own self. Okay, now third part, your own notes. Whatever you are making notes, in that note smartly you have to write everything. Okay, most of the time students are writing only formulas. Sometimes, like mostly I have seen female student girls, they write some theories and some formulas. But guys, everything you should write in detail, but at the same time you should have one more notebook, short notebook, only for the formula purpose. And you should also have a doubt book in because in exam hall you are going to revise your doubts. Okay, sorry, not in exam hall, during the exam session, when exam is very near, that time you have to revise and you have to work on your doubts. Okay, anyway, the third point is over. Now go for the fourth point. When you have everything, when you have a good teacher, when you have a good material, and you are able to focus on subject, you are making your proper notes, everything, but still you are not able to crack a gate question, or you are not able to crack any numerical what is given in your notebook or assignment or test series. Okay, so for that purpose, whatever numerical is you are getting and not able to solve, then think, pause and think, why are you not able to solve the numerical? Whether this numerical has different concept? No, when you are solving, when you are seeing the solution, it is the same thing. Then where are you lagging? Why were you not able to solve the numerical? It means you are actually not understanding the topic the way it should be understandable. Okay, it means what? Again, your concept is not ready yet. No, now what I'm trying to say, 5,000 students are writing GATE aerospace every year, roughly 5,000, actually less than 5,000. Out of these 5,000 students, if you see the ratio, how many people are able to clear GATE exam? How many people? Roughly 4,000 students will not be able to clear GATE exam. Why? Why? Are they not having material? Are they not having access? Are they not having money for coaching? Are they not doing self-study? See, actually everyone is doing proper study. Study part is not a big deal. In same way, every coaching center is also teaching. That part is not a big deal. You can also learn things after getting study material from different coaching centers, or somehow, or from different. And nowadays, few lectures you can filter from NPTEL also, not the complete NPTEL, only few lectures. But I mean, material is available. But when it comes to solving a separate numerical, that time you are being failed, so you have to work there. So for that thing to improve at very personal level, you need my support, so that every individual can ask doubts. Sir, actually I was thinking in this way, that's why I did this question in this way. It means what? Proper discussion on every question, whatever you are doing wrong. So for that purpose only, I have private call doubt sessions, and you can see, you can go to playlist and you can see some of the audio calls I have uploaded on YouTube also. Okay, so I hope I made this very clear. How are you going to study structure part? Okay, I will summarize this. First thing, learn somehow from somewhere. If you are in coaching center, no problem. Now second, are you able to visualize whatever is happening? Okay. Third thing, then if you are able to visualize, then write down everything in your way. So in that you should have three types of notebooks. One is for the complete everything, one is only for the formulas and diagrams, and the third one is for your doubt sessions. After that, make sure when you are solving the numerical, you are not able to solve the numerical. See here, if you are not able to solve the numerical, then mostly what happens, 99% people, what they do, they go to the solution part. Is this sufficient? No, this is not sufficient. When you are not able to solve the numerical, you have to know why were you not able to solve the numerical. You have to discuss with your teacher, and your teacher should be able to make you, okay, this was like, you have to enlighten yourself. Right? It really it seems like spirituality, like you are learning something, so you should be able to solve the numerical. Okay, and the last part, very good revision strategy. In my coaching center, after course completion in October month, I have revision batches, crash course batches, those things are there. But at personal level also, you should have your revision strategy, because your revision, every individual revision will be different because of their timings. Okay, some people are joining gate preparation in Feb month, some people March, some people in August month, so everyone will study in different way. So I am here, I am working out like a gym, like it's not my coaching center, it's like it is a gym. Different type of slim people, fat people, different body structure people will come to my institute, and I will give them a separate diet plan, like you do like this, you do like this, you do like this, you do like this, you study structure, you study propulsion, you don't study structure, you study vibration first, you study this, that. Like every individual I plan differently. Okay, I plan differently with every individual. All these things you have to follow, all these 5 points, and that's all. Let's hope for the better result. And if you have any doubt, then stay. You can text me on WhatsApp if you want to join my coaching center for admission purpose. So admissions are open every time, and you will be enrolled into your personal course program. Okay, that's all. Thank you.